Hello, in this video we are going to continue to look at the multiplication of matrices. Alright, and remember we are using what is called the associative law for multiplication of matrices. In this question we want to find c squared. We do not know what it is at this time, but we are going to multiply to find what it is. This is different from squaring a number. Now, had we say that c is equal to 4, persons may want to say, okay, so if c is equal to 4, c squared has to be 4 times 4, or 4 raised to the power of 2, which will give me 16. In matrices, that is not so. Instead, to find c square, it means that we have to repeat c twice, right? We are repeating the matrix c twice. Good? And then we apply the law which says row in the first matrix, column in the second matrix. So let's go. 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Negative 2 times 7 will give us negative 14. 5 multiplied by negative 2 will give us negative 10. And negative 2 multiplied by 6 will give us negative 12. Alright? So let us look. We are going to our next part now. Let us continue. So we go 7 times 5. That will give us a product of 35. 6 times 7, 42. 7 times negative 2, negative 14, and the 6 by 6 will give us 36. And our last step will be to add or subtract where possible. We are simplifying now. So 25 minus 14 will leave us with 11. Negative 10, negative 12, we add and we keep the sign, right? 35 plus 42 will give us 77. Negative 14 plus 36, or we say 36 minus 14. All right? Now this is all yours. Review, pause, recap, look, and look again. We are going to do one more example here. We are given the vectors, the matrices A, B, and C. This is our B and this is our C. They ask us to find A, B, C. Now, this can be a little complicated if you decide that you're going to work with them all at the same time. My advice to you will be, don't do that. Use the multiplication of matrices, use the associative law. And we know that the associative law says ABC is equal to AB times C. This means that you multiply matrices A and B, and the answer you get, then you multiply it by C. Another is A times BC. This means we multiply the matrices B and C, and the answer we get, then we bring in A. We can also do the same with B. All right, so let us go right ahead. In the previous video, I would have shared with you the solution to AB. And that solution was -6, 3, 16, and -1. So I already have my AB. All I need to do now is to bring in the matrix C. The matrix C says, and then I just multiply these two. Good. Again, I urge you to view the other video, which is the previous one. That's the video number 1. It has the solution step by step to how we arrived at our AB. Good. So let us multiply out now to find our solution for A, B, C. Remember, it is row by column. You do not need to put these lines in, but to reduce the level of confusion, I will strongly encourage you to so do. -6 by +5 is -30. 3 by 1, 21. -6 by -2 is +12. 3 times 6 is 18. 16 multiplied by 5, 80. -1 multiplied by 7, -7. 16 multiplied by -2 will give me -32. -1 by 6 is -6. And our last and final step, 30, -30 plus 21, we subtract and our answer take the sign to the larger number. 12 plus 18, 30. 80 minus 7, 73. Negative and negative, so we add and our answer take that same sign. All right? -38. And this one is -38. All right? So we've done 2 here, along with the previous ones we've done. They should have covered all the concepts that you need to master. You pause the video when you deem it necessary. All right? You may ask any questions that you have, and I will answer those questions to the best of my ability. Thank you.